Think about it. What do all the banks and financial institutions do with your money? They go buy real estate. These banks and financial institutions take your money, hold it, give you penalties if you want to touch it, and then they go buy the real estate. And then they get the appreciation, they get the tax advantages, they get the cash flow, they get the mineral rights and the air rights, and you get back 6 or 3%. So now there's another opportunity that we've created for you all to be able to invest passively. If you don't want to create a full real estate investing business, you don't want to get your LLC and start branding and send postcards and manage a team and take calls and negotiate with sellers, we created a vehicle, a government regulated vehicle, an SEC regulated and certified and approved vehicle called the Tulsa Real Estate Fund for you to invest in real estate passively.